Morning third class children. Until now we have learned chapters in volume 1 children. Now today we are going to learn volume 2 children. We have two sets of books children. Volume 1 is completed. Now today let us open your volume 2 books children. Mathematics volume 2 books. What is the first chapter in this? Measurement. Measurement is the first chapter. In this, we have three topics, three subtopics children. Length, weight, capacity. What is that? Length, weight and capacity. Now today let us learn about length. Let us learn about length. In length, we use body parts to measure lengths. Those are span, arm span, foot, etc. Span means the length between the thumb and the small finger. Arm span means this is the arm span. And foot means your foot size children. These are the body parts we use to measure lengths. These are non-measured parts children. Span, arm span, foot, etc. These are the non-standard measures children. And what are standard measures? Look, centimeters, meters, kilometers and millimeters. Millimeters. Mm means millimeters. These are standard measures. These are standard measures. Now, let us open your course book children. Let us learn from course book. Open page number 4. Now open your course book page number 4 children. Measurement. In that, what is the first one? Length. Look at the picture given here. The boy's name is Venu. What is he doing? Look here. This is the picture. Window picture. And boy is measuring the window, length of the window. Look here, Venu is measuring the length of a window with his hand span. With his hand span. Venu's father, who was observing him, asked, "What is the length of the window, Venu?" And his father is asking, "What is the length of the window?" Venu said, 10 handspans, Dad. So he is answering, the length of the window is 10 handspans. Venu's father then measured the length of the window using his hand and told him, "See, I measured it now, but the length of the window is 6 handspans only." And his father came and he used his hand span and measured. Now what is the length of the window? 6 hand spans. Venu was surprised. He asked, "How is it possible, Dad? You have seen me measure it and it is 10 hand spans. You saw while I am measuring with using my hands, that is 10 hand spans." Venu then asked his elder sister to measure the same window. Venu's sister measured the window and it turned out the length is 8 hand spans for her. Venu's father then explained to them that the hand span is different for different people. So, these non-standard measures differ from person to person. Look here, the length between the thumb finger and the small finger is a hand span. It is called a span. It differs from person to person. Then Venu's father asked him, "Can you tell me whose hand span will be the biggest among us?" Venu immediately said, "Yours, Dad." Venu's father nodded his head and agreement. Then he asked Venu, Whose handspan will be the smallest among the three of us? Venu shyly agreed his handspan will be the smallest. Whose handspan will be the smallest? Venu's handspan will be the smallest one. His father smiled and continued. Some people use their foot to take measurements, especially when measuring objects on the floor, such as carpets. People also use arm spans to measure longer objects like ropes. Look here, these are the examples. This is the arm span and this is the foot. Then Venu asked, Dad, I have seen a carpenter the other day using a ruler to measure the length of a window. Why didn't he use his hand or foot like us? Now Venu is asking his father, why didn't the carpenter use his handspan or foot like us? Venu's dad said, a carpenter measures a window in centimeters or inches or feet. This is the reason why he uses a ruler or a tape. Why he uses a ruler or a tape. Such measuring objects give accurate measurements. Accurate means correct measurements. Look here. He is the carpenter and he is using a ruler to measure the length of the window or any object. The measurements are different when you use body parts because the size of the body parts differ from person to person. These are non-standard measures. These are non-standard measures. Now pick up an eraser and measure your course book with it. Let your friends also measure the same book with the same eraser. What did you notice? The length is the same for all of you. It is same because all of you have used the same tool to measure the length of one single object. So here all are used same eraser. So they got same length. So to measure the length without any difference, we need to use some tools that are marked with standard units of measurement. So look here, these are the some tools with standard units. Examples of tools with standard units are a ruler or scale, and measuring tape. A ruler and a measuring tape are used to measure lengths in centimeter and inches. These two are used to measure centimeter and inches. A tailor measures the cloth using this measuring tape, which is marked in centimeters and meters. A mason uses a measuring tape to measure the length of a wall or the height of a pillar in meters. Thus, we measure the smaller lengths in centimeter and bigger lengths in meters. Smaller lengths are used to measure in centimeters and bigger lengths meters. Very large lengths such as the distance between two cities are measured in kilometers. Kilometer is a very large unit of length. It is bigger than a meter. Here centimeters, meters, kilometers. These are the standard units in length, children. So the main standard unit in a length is the meters. Standard unit of length is meters. For example, the distance between the cities of Hyderabad and Chennai is approx 630 kilometers. Look here, Hyderabad to Chennai. Distance between the Hyderabad and Chennai is 630 kilometers. Very small lengths such as the length of a dice will be measured in millimeters. What is the smaller unit for length? Millimeters. Millimeters is the smallest unit of measurement of length. And which is the largest measurement? Kilometer. Smallest millimeters. Now relation between the units. The relation between the different measurements of length is as shown below. Look here. The short form of representing different measurements of length is as shown below. Millimeters as mm. The short form of millimeters is mm. Centimeters as cm. Meters m. Kilometers km. So mm means millimeters, cm means centimeters, m means meters, km means kilometers. The standard unit of length is meter. What is the standard unit of length? Meter. And look here, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. This is the relationship between the measurements in the length. Now let us estimate the lengths of some objects in standard units. 8 centimeters or 8 meters. The length of a chocolate cannot be measured in meters. Meters are used for some larger lengths. Is chocolate is a larger thing? No, it is a small thing. So the length of a chocolate cannot be measured in meters. So let us estimate it as 8 centimeters. Next, 6 kilometers or 6 meters. What is the length of this saree? The length of a saree cannot be in kilometers. Kilometers are used the distance between two places only. So let us estimate it as 6 meters. Next, what is this? Exclamatory mark. The length of a bindi cannot be in centimeters. So let us estimate it as 9 millimeters. Look children, it is look like a exclamatory mark, but it is a bindi. So what is the length of this? 9 millimeters. Let us estimate it is smaller thing na, so millimeters. Okay children, length concept is completed. Now in the next video we will discuss about weight. Okay children.